Welcome back to Cooking with Tammy Live. I'm Tammy, and today I'm going to show you how to make my delicious, quick, and easy blackened shrimp tacos, guys. Yes, where do I start? These blackened shrimp tacos, absolutely delicious and so flavorful, and most importantly, quick and easy to put together, guys. Yes. So without further ado, let's introduce these ingredients and get started. As you can see right here, I have my shrimp washed, clean, deveined, ready to go. And for our blackened seasoning mix, I also have some smoked paprika, as well as onion powder, dried thyme. I'm going to add a little bit of accent to my seasoning mix, as well as garlic powder and onion powder, as well as dried oregano, as well as cayenne pepper, red chili flakes, and black pepper. However, if you don't want your blackened seasoning mix to be spicy, hold back on the pepper, not the black pepper, because that's the whole reason of it being blackened seasoned mix. But you can hold back on the red chili flakes, as well as the chili powder or cayenne pepper, as far as whichever pepper you decide to use. However, if you don't want to do all this stuff right here with all of these seasonings, you can always, if you have one of these like little pre-seasoning blackened seasoning mixes, you can also use this as well. However, if you don't have this in your cabinet, this is pretty much what this consists of. Yes. So with all of that being said, we also have some oil, as well as some chopped, or should I say diced onions, some cilantro, as well as a lemon, a lime, and some corn tortillas. To this shrimp, we are going to add a little drizzle of oil, just a little bit. We're not going to get carried away. And first off, we're going to take our seasoning and we're going to add it to this container right here. Going to start by adding the smoked paprika, garlic powder, as well as the onion powder, dried thyme, accent right here, dried oregano, ground black pepper, seems like a lot, right? Red chili flakes, and our cayenne pepper. We are going to give everything a good mix to combine all of these different seasonings, which is now our blackened seasoning mix. And what we are going to do is, we're not going to toss all of the seasoning onto the shrimp. You could always store this in the refrigerator or in a container and place it in your cabinet for whenever you need to make, whether it be blackened chicken or whatever. That's the good thing about this seasoning mix. All right, we're going to add about a spoonful for now. And we are gonna mix it all up, combine obviously the seasoning with the shrimp. It smells so good, but trust me, because you have the pepper in there, those red chili flakes, as well as the cayenne pepper and the black pepper, you better stand back because you might start sneezing. By the way, how is everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing great. Just gonna continue combining it with the shrimp. And that should be that. That's it, guys. And look at what we have so far. Absolutely beautiful. And what I'm going to do to this hot preheated pan, I'm going to add a little oil. Make sure it's spread around the pan evenly, guys. And what we're going to do is, one by one, we are going to place our shrimp into the skillet, into the hot skillet, guys. Make sure not to overcrowd. Space it out. Give everything ample space. So far, it smells so good. Woo-wee. And if you have sensitivity to like spice or blackened seasoning, now would be a good time to just kind of like step away. Because like I said, you don't want to start sneezing and you don't want the spices to start burning your eyes and stuff like that. You know what? I think I got a little bit more space now that these shrimps are starting to shrink. I'm going to add the rest. And the good thing about shrimp, as most of us know, it cooks really fast. So in no time at all, we are gonna be done. I'm gonna start flipping it over. Yep, perfect. Perfect color and everything. And make sure when you're searing your shrimp, guys, because that's what we're doing, in order to get it black, we are searing the shrimp. So make sure your flame is on high heat. Make sure before you put the shrimp in there, the oil is hot, guys. That's just gonna give it that nice caramelized color. It's a trick to everything, right? It's science behind cooking, I tell you, science. Gonna flip it over, perfect. But once you get that science down packed, you're good to go. Everything else becomes easy and simplistic. Got that nice little charred effect. Perfect. Our blackened shrimp is done. I am gonna, smells so good. All right, there we go, guys. I'm gonna plate it right here. You hear that sizzle? Wow. Perfect, right there. Yes, perfect. Alrighty, guys, now that our blackened shrimp is done, we are going to move on to heating up our tortillas, guys. But first, we're going to add a little oil to our pan, just a little bit, not too much. And what I like to do is I just like to basically heat it up. I don't really like to, like, you know, for this particular recipe, I kind of like soft tortillas. I don't like it to be too crunchy. However, what we're going to do is we're going to add it to the pan, allow it to warm up, and then we're going to flip it over. And the cool thing about this is it takes like literally 1 minute, 30 seconds on each side. Once you add those tortillas and you see like the little bubbles and stuff starting to pop up, good to go. You are in business. Just flip it over and just basically remove it whenever you achieve your, desired color. Because some people like a little bit of color in their tortillas. Me, once it starts to brown just a bit, I'm good with that. Just make sure it's heated up and flip it over. There's nothing better, in my opinion, than nice warm tortillas. All right, that's it, guys. As you can see, that's it. We're done. Alrighty, now it's time to assemble, guys. So what we're gonna do is, first and foremost, let's see, put this right here. So far, we have our blackened shrimp that looks absolutely beautiful and smells so delicious. We have our tortillas ready to go, nice and hot. And I also have some fresh cilantro right here, as well as a lemon and a lime. I am gonna cut the lemon in half. Yes, guys, and I am gonna cut it once more. Make lemon wedges. And in regards to our cilantro, I'm just gonna give it a rough chop. Chop it really fine, because with my blackened shrimp tacos, I love fresh cilantro, guys. It tastes so delicious. I think, in my opinion, not only does it pair really well with acidity, meaning lemons or limes, but it definitely brings out the flavor in the tacos as well. It really pairs really well with the shrimp tacos. Trust me, so delicious. All right, now that we have that chopped, what we're gonna do is, it's time to assemble. Yay, the fun part. We are gonna take some of our shrimp, as you can see right there, and place it right here. And of course, you can take the tails off. It's totally up to you. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it on and put some more shrimp right there. Do the same thing over here. Just basically fill your tortilla up. Slide it on over just a bit. Place some more there. And how quick and easy was this? Literally about 10 minutes. Didn't take any time whatsoever. Fill those tacos up, guys. And we are gonna add a little bit of freshly diced onions. Trust me, everything is gonna come together perfectly. As much as you like. And we are going to add our fresh cilantro. Like I said, it's going to pair really nicely, give it a nice flavor. And we are going to hit it off with a fresh spritz of lemon or lime juice, whichever one you prefer, basically. Gonna close it up just a bit. Close it on up, make it look taco friendly. And we have our blackened shrimp tacos ready to go, guys. Yes, absolutely beautiful. And of course, staging purposes, you got to put that lemon there for those who want extra lemon or lime, totally up to the individual. And that's it, guys.